Food lovers, let's cook a fantastic dinner that's good for you and bursting with flavor. We're making seared salmon with sautéed spinach and mushrooms. This recipe is quick, easy, and perfect for a weeknight meal. Plus, it's packed with nutrients and protein to keep you energized. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse. It's full of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. It's also a great source of protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied. Spinach is a nutritional superstar too. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Mushrooms add a delicious, earthy flavor and are a good source of vitamins and minerals as well. Get ready for a taste bud adventure. This dish is colorful, aromatic, and incredibly satisfying. So, let's get cooking. Before we start cooking, let's gather all the ingredients. Having everything prepped and ready makes the cooking process a breeze. Here's what you'll need. For the salmon, 2 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For the sautéed spinach and mushrooms, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 clove garlic, minced, 8 ounces cremini mushrooms, sliced, 5 ounces baby spinach, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. That's it, just a handful of fresh, wholesome ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece. Time to cook the star of our dish, the salmon. Searing salmon is easy. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Pat the salmon fillets dry with paper towels. This helps them brown beautifully. 2. Season both sides of the fillets with salt and pepper. You can add a pinch of garlic powder for extra flavor too. 3. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. You'll know the oil is hot enough when it shimmers. 4. Carefully place the salmon fillets in the hot skillet, skin side down. Let them cook undisturbed for about 4 minutes. This allows the skin to get crispy. Flip the fillets and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. The salmon should be opaque and flake easily with a fork. Section 4. Sautéed spinach and mushrooms. An explosion of flavor. While the salmon is cooking, let's prepare the delicious side dish. This sautéed spinach and mushroom combo is bursting with flavor and comes together in minutes. In the same skillet you used for the salmon, add a tablespoon of olive oil. Heat it over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Add the sliced mushrooms to the skillet and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until softened and lightly browned. Stir them occasionally. Add the baby spinach to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until wilted. Season with salt and pepper to taste. That's it. Your flavorful and nutritious side dish is ready to be enjoyed with the perfectly seared salmon. Section 5. Plating up. A feast for the eyes and stomach. Now comes the fun part, plating. We eat with our eyes first, so let's make this dish visually appealing. Place a generous portion of the sautéed spinach and mushrooms on a plate. Top with a perfectly seared salmon fillet. For a pop of color and freshness, garnish with lemon wedges. You can also sprinkle some chopped fresh parsley or dill over the salmon for added flavor and visual appeal. Serve this delightful dish with your favorite sides. Quinoa, brown rice, or a simple salad would pair perfectly. Section 6. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece. Congratulations! You've prepared a healthy, delicious, and restaurant-quality meal right in your own kitchen. This dish is not only good for you, but also incredibly satisfying. The combination of flavors and textures is simply irresistible. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, sit back, relax, and savor every bite of this culinary creation. Section 7. Until next time. So there you have it. A quick, easy, and healthy dinner recipe that's perfect for any night of the week. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy the deliciousness of seared salmon with sautéed spinach and mushrooms. Remember, cooking should be fun and rewarding. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and add your personal touch to your dishes. Happy cooking! And until next time, keep those taste buds tingling.